Hey guys, and welcome to this week's Fab in 5. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 5 products that I personally think are dupes for 5 of my favorite high-end products. So if you want to find out what my 5 game-changing dupes are, then keep on watching. First product that I found a dupe for is the Hourglass Veil Primer. Keep in mind this is a mini. It makes your skin feel silky smooth. It gives you that velvety finish. It kind of gives you that blurred, smoothed finish. So as you can see, it has a white color to it, and it does help prolong the wear of your makeup. It helps mattify your skin and control your shine. Now, the dupe that I have found is the Nyx Angel Vei Skin Perfecting Primer. As you can see, same color. The only difference is I do find it has a bit of a thicker and creamier consistency, but once blended into the skin, it also gives you a somewhat mattified, very velvety, silky, smoothing effect. Both of them do help kind of minimize the look of pores. The Nyx Angel Vei also helps prolong the wear of your makeup. It does give you that mattified effect. Love both of these. This one's obviously more affordable. The next product is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. It has an anti-aging hydrating serum and SPF 50. This is the consistency of the IT Cosmetics. It's a little bit thicker. It is quite full coverage. Feels hydrating without feeling or looking greasy. It really is stunning and flawless and smooth on the skin. It's long wearing. Now the dupe that I found is the e.l.f. Camo Cc Cream. It performs just as well. It's also a color correcting full coverage natural finish foundation. This one also has skincare ingredients such as collagen, peptides, and niacinamide, and it also has SPF 30. The e.l.f. one holds up really well on my skin as well. I actually personally believe that the e.l.f. one is more full coverage, which is great. I do find I use a little more product when I use the IT Cosmetics one, and if you love the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, you will also love the e.l.f. one. So the next dupe that I have is for the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze, a powder bronzer, and I have it in the shade Tantastic. Both of these are very smooth, very flawless, very pigmented, and very blendable. They never go patchy. So as you can see, very, very smooth. I absolutely love this shade on me, and I am actually wearing this one today. Now my dupe. So this is the Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer in 01 Cool. Now they also have a warm shade and a dark shade. The Makeup Revolution one has a little bit more of a cooler undertone than the Marc Jacobs. So the warm one may be even closer, but I do find they're quite similar, and like I'm wearing both of them today. And can you guys see the difference? Not really. As you can see, they're both very pigmented. They don't look powdery or dry, and this one is like a fraction of the price. We've got an eyeliner, the Kat Von D. This is my OG fave. There's a thick line there. You can see how rich and black it is, and then the thin line shows how precise you can get. It has a satin finish, so it's not completely matte. It's not too shiny. I'm wearing both of these today. So this is the Kat Von D. The dupe that I have is the Nyx Epic Liner. Honestly, an incredible drugstore liner. It has a very similar applicator. Would you even really be able to tell which one is which? Not really. The first two are Kat Von D, and then the last 3 are the Nyx. Very similar in color, very similar in finish, very similar in applicator. They are honestly like complete dupes. If you're looking for one that's a little bit cheaper, why not go with the Nyx? Nyx is honestly a great brand. The last dupe of the day is for the Marc Jacobs At Lash Mascara. It's very lengthening, it's very separating, it has a beautiful applicator, it's very like thin and easy to use. Shorter bristles, it's not messy, it's not goopy, it doesn't smudge, flake, or smear. Where this one shines is the length. My dupe that I found, it's the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. You have to get the False Lash Effect. It's the green one. This is like a cult fave. This one actually came out first, but it is definitely a dupe for the Marc Jacobs. So as you can see, applicator is quite similar. They're both very skinny. They both have short bristles, and they both have a decent amount of product on the brush. So they're not dry, but they're also not goopy or messy. I'm wearing both of them today. The Lash Princess is really, really lengthening as well. It gives a beautiful separated lash effect. Neither of them get clumpy. Difference in price, like it's unreal how similar they perform. If you're looking for one that's like literally $5 instead of like what, 30, 40 bucks, this one is so much cheaper, and they honestly look like, can you tell? Really, can you tell? So yeah, those are my dupes for today. I hope you guys enjoyed and found them helpful. If you love dupe videos, stay tuned because I have more coming. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.